In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build an email list on Gumroad so you can engage with your audience and grow your business. Start by opening gumroad.com and logging in using your Google account for a quick and easy setup. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the workflow section. This is where you'll create automated email sequences for your subscribers. Click on New Workflow and give it a name that helps you remember its purpose. Select the New Subscriber option to set up a welcome email for anyone who signs up. Don't forget to hit Save and Continue to keep your progress. Next, click on Create Email to craft your message. Add a compelling subject line and set the timing. Here, we'll send the email immediately after someone subscribes. Write a warm, engaging welcome message and attach any relevant files, like a free digital download, to add value. Preview your email to make sure it looks perfect, then hit Save Changes. And just like that, your email automation is live, helping you engage your audience effortlessly.